Hey y'all, I'm just call me Jamie. Welcome back to another video. Hey y'all, and happy Tuesday. Today's Tuesday. Your girl signed up for Amazon Flex block, so she about to head to the warehouse so I can go ahead and deliver these packages. I'm also signed up for one tomorrow early in the morning, 3:30 to 8. I know it's a 4.5 hour block, but also I just want to say welcome to all my new subscribers. Your girl gained over 800 new subscribers, and I just want to tell y'all thank you. Thank y'all for coming over here and rocking with your girl. But your girl still gotta go out here and get this money. Your girl's gotta go out here and get this money. We need this money in here. So I'm about to head to the warehouse, and I wanted to come on here and show y'all how to sort load packages with Amazon Flex, because I know a lot of y'all are interested in doing Amazon Flex. So I just want to give y'all some insight so y'all can see how I do my thing over here. So it's a couple of different ways that you can sort and load your packages, but it's not really hard. It's just once you don't start doing it, you got to figure it out on your own. So I'm going to show y'all the two ways that I usually do it, and the way I do it, the main way I do it, I feel like it's really much quicker to do. So I'm not going to hold y'all up too much. I'm not going to talk too long. Let's just go ahead and head to that warehouse so we can go ahead and get the ball rolling, and I can show y'all how to do this. So I'll pick y'all back up once I get to the warehouse. All right, y'all, so we just arrived at the Amazon warehouse. So let me give y'all the go-to when it comes there. So when you arrive to the warehouse, as I stated, my block is scheduled from 5:45 to 9:45. So you can arrive anywhere from 15 minutes before on up until 5 minutes after your block started. Anything after 5 minutes, support can't even save you. So you want to be mindful of time management, meaning you at least want to get to the Amazon warehouse, depending on how far you live from the warehouse, you want to get here at least 30 minutes to an hour. And the reason why I say that, because you got to factor in if you got to get gas or not, or if there's traffic. That's what I mean to say, traffic. So, and then next thing is you want to check in once you arrive. So I'm going to walk y'all through check-in. So once I've arrived at the Amazon warehouse, and another thing that you need to have with you is your ID card. Because if you don't have your ID card, you can't check in, because check-in is a two-step process, which I'm about to show y'all now, the first step of checking in. So we're going to go ahead and pull up the Amazon Flex app. And you want to click on your schedule, right? So it'll show you the schedule right here, the time. And you want to start location if you already haven't. Start travel. You want to click that you've parked, right? So then it's going to ask you to begin the check-in process, right? Now, as I stated, the check-in process is a two-step process. You need your ID for the second step. Otherwise, like I say, you can't check in. So first thing they want you to do is take your photo. So we're going to go ahead and take our photo. So we click use photo, and then it's going to check you in, right? So it comes up with this screen that says verify your driver's license. That's why I say you got to have your driver's license, because your driver's license is the second step you need that you have to scan in order to proceed with your route. So it is currently 5:34. I can go ahead and check in right now. So let's go ahead and check in so we can proceed in getting our packages. All right, y'all, so this is currently my route. So each route is labeled by which route is yours. So basically, this is my packages right here. All right, y'all, so we have our packages, right? So how you sort your package, each warehouse is different, and I'm gonna cover this so I won't have to share nobody's address, but each warehouse is different. So depending on the warehouse you go to, each warehouse can be labeled by a ECC or a DDD, or some warehouses have it where they got the number already, so you already know which route you're going to. So I'm gonna show y'all an example of each different route. Hold on. So this is BBB, this is DDD, and this is CCC. So you can do this one or two ways. First way is you can just gather all the
C's and put them in organized, and then when you get to that route, you just search through them C's and look for that package. Do that depending on how I feel. If it's raining or something like that, I'll just toss it in there like that and then just search through it. Or you can do it the way that I'm going to do it, where I'm going to show you how you scan it, and then you write the route number on it. So I'm going to show you right now. Hold on. So you just write it on there like that. So I'm going to go ahead and go through all these packages and do it, and then I'm going to come back on. All right, y'all, so as y'all can see, packages are marked by the stop. They are loaded. So I got 1 through 10 up here. I got 11 through 20 over here. And then right here, I got 21 through 27, because I currently have 27 packages. All right, so y'all can see how I scan the packages, because like I said, it's a little bar scanner in the app, so that all you got to do is scan the barcode, and it'll tell you what stop that package goes to based off how this warehouse has their things set up. So each warehouse you go to is different. Some warehouses, like I say, will already have the stop number for you. Some other warehouses, you got to scan the barcode and get the stop for yourself and write it on the package just to make it easier for you. So that's how I do my system. I go ahead and grab my packages and I just pick it up out the cart. Some people might just go ahead and put all the A's together, put all the B's together, and then just go through package one by one, scan it, and put the route on it and put it in the car. No, I just grab it one by one, go grab a couple, scan those couple, put the route on it, and then I have it like, let's say 1 through 10 over here, 11 through 12 right, 11 through 20 right here, and 21 through 27 right here. I don't understand why they back up in the, like I say, 21 through 27 right here. I have 27 packages. I am 22 minutes from the first drop-off location, and it'll tell you where to go at in the app. And all I got to do is, when I get to that first stop, being that I got the number, because see, the warehouse is the first number. You gotta think about that. The warehouse is the first number. The second number will be that second package. So I marked the 2 on it. So when I get to that stop, all I got to do is just grab that stop number, scan the package, and drop it off in front of the customer house, scan it, and take a picture. I'm telling you, this is the most efficient, effective way so you can get these packages dropped off within a timely manner. The goal is to get the packages dropped off in a timely manner so that you won't be behind or block or late delivering a package. But regardless if you delivering the package or not, you still won't get paid regardless. So I try to deliver my packages within a timely manner, because see, I want my package in a timely manner. If you say you're gonna please be there at a certain time delivering my package. But y'all, I'm about to be on my way to this first drop-off spot, and I just wanted to come on here and share with y'all how I load and sort and scan packages. And y'all, if you like this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will catch you guys on the next one. Bye.